how to fix Valorant not opening, easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do first, just right click on Valorant and then go to properties. After that, go to compatibility. And now once you're here, click change settings for all users and then click run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7. And now enable those two options, and that's it. Now just click apply and then click OK, and that's it. Now OK again, and now just try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, then just restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, close all the applications that you don't need here. Right click and last option, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.